In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Lovable project, ensuring its seamless and successful launch. First, let's begin by visiting the Lovable website, your go-to platform for showcasing your creative projects. Once there, you'll want to make sure that your design, the heart of your project, is polished and pristine. This is an essential step, as the final look and feel dictate how your audience will perceive and interact with your content. So, go ahead and check your project in preview mode. This will allow you to experience it just as your audience will, and provide a crucial opportunity to verify that all links and images, as well as each section, display exactly as intended. Once satisfied with your design, it's time to make it official by clicking on the Publish button. This moment is often thrilling, as it signifies the culmination of your hard work and creativity. After clicking, you'll be presented with publishing options. To keep things simple and efficient, choose the Lovable subdomain option. This option is straightforward and user-friendly, perfect if you're looking to get your project up and running quickly. Then go ahead and click Publish Now. You'll only need to wait a brief moment, about 10 to 30 seconds, for your project to go live. It's a relatively swift process, and before you know it, your project will be accessible to the world. Next, you'll want to ensure that your project is linked correctly to your domain. For this step, head over to your domain provider, such as Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Cloudflare. These platforms are commonly used to manage domain names and direct them to your projects. Once on the domain provider's site, navigate to the domain section. This is a central hub where you can manage all your domain-related settings and configurations. When you're in the domain section, proceed to the option labeled Transfer Domain Names. This functionality will link your existing domain to your new Lovable project. The process usually involves a few clicks, and once completed, your project should be properly connected and ready to go. Finally, after everything is set, it's vital to test your live project. This step can't be stressed enough, as it confirms that your project is accessible and that every component functions properly on its live domain. Open a web browser and type in your project's URL to see it in action. Go through each page, check all navigational links, and make sure images and multimedia display as expected. This final check brings peace of mind and ensures your audience will have a smooth, engaging experience. By following these steps, you'll prepare and publish a Lovable project that not only meets but exceeds expectations, making a lasting impression on all who visit.